Depuis Noël, on commence à en avoir marre parce que
Ever since Christmas, we're starting to get fed up. People have had it with the floods already. We can't do what we want. We can't get anywhere.
Voilà quoi.
There is a lot of disappointment with City Hall. They don't care. They're not doing anything to help us. I have to sleep at a friend's house tonight because the mayor hasn't done anything. No one's doing anything.
Nous, moi j'habite au premier étage en fait, donc du coup j'ai vu par la fenêtre.
I live on the first floor, and I woke up, I looked out the window and saw there was no way of getting out. Then we didn't know what to do, and they told us the water wouldn't go down for a while, and so we had to be evacuated.
Être évacué, donc voilà.